Comparing numbers. Numbers with more digits are greater than the number with less digits. If they have the same number of digits, then we look at the digit in the highest place of the number, and so on. Let's compare 6,753 and 7,635. Which is the largest number? Both the numbers have 4 digits, so we look at the digit in the thousands place. We know that 6 is less than 7, so 6,753 is less than 7,653. Given two numbers, one with more digits is the greater number. If the number of digits in two given numbers is the same, that number is larger, which has a greater leftmost digit. If this digit also happens to be the same, we look at the next digit, and so on. Ascending order. Ascending order means arrangement from the smallest to the greatest. Descending order. Descending order means arrangement from the greatest to the smallest. In the example provided, let's arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order. The smallest number is 58,796 and largest is 78,965. We will arrange the numbers from smallest to largest to arrange in descending order. We write largest number 78,965 first and arrange the numbers to smallest. The smallest number is 58,796.
Larger numbers.
The smallest 4-digit number is 1,000. 1,000. It follows the largest 3-digit number 999. Similarly, the smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. It is 10,000 and follows the largest 4-digit number 9,999. Further, the smallest 6-digit number is 100,000. It is 1 lakh and follows the largest 5-digit number 99,999. This carries on for higher digit numbers in a similar manner. Large numbers are needed in many places in daily life. For example, for giving number of students in a school, number of people in a village or town, money paid or received in large transactions, paying and selling, in measuring large distances, say between various cities, in a country, or in the world, and so on. Place value and the numeration system. Place value. Use of commas helps in reading and writing large numbers. In the Indian system of numeration we have commas after 3 digits starting from the right, and thereafter every 2 digits. The commas after 3, 5, and 7 digits separate thousand, lakh and crore respectively. In the international system of numeration commas are placed after every 3 digits starting from the right. The commas after 3 and 6 digits separate thousand and million respectively. The number 67,852,194, for example, in Indian system, first put the commas, so we get 6,78,52,194. Now we can write the number as 6 crore, 78,52,194. International system. First put the commas, so we get 67,852,194. Now we can write the number as 67,852,194. Rules of rounding numbers. To round a number to the nearest, we round it to the multiple of the nearest to it. For examples, 26 is rounded to 30, 132 is to 130, 825 is rounded 830. To round a number to the nearest 100, we round it to the multiple of 100 nearest to it. For example, 826 is rounded to 800, 1259 is rounded to 1300, 850 is rounded to 800. To round a number to the nearest 1000, we round it to the multiple of 1000 nearest to it. For examples, 426 is rounded to 500, 1259 is rounded to 1000, 2500 is rounded to 3000. Estimating some difference, product, or quotient. There are a number of situations in which we do not need the exact quantity, but need only a reasonable guess, or an estimate. For example, while stating how many spectators watched a particular international hockey match, we state the approximate number, say 51,000. We do not need to state the exact number. To estimate the answers involving the basic operations, i.e. addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, first we round off numbers to the nearest 10, 100, or 1000 as required in the question, and perform the operation. Estimate 2963 plus 4172. Rounding off 2963 to the nearest 1000, we get 3000. Rounding off 4172 to the nearest 1000, we get 4000. Estimated answer is 7000. Estimate 5697 to 2845. Rounding off 5697 to the nearest 1000, we get 6000. Rounding off 2845 to the nearest 1000, we get 3000. Estimated answer is 9000. Estimate 1253 multiplied by 86. Rounding off 1235 to the nearest 100, we get 1300. Rounding off 86 to the nearest 10, we get 90. Estimated answer is 1300 times 90 equals 17,000. Actual answer equals 1,07758. Estimate 4775 divided by 25. Rounding off 4775 to the nearest 100, we get 4800. Rounding off 25 to the nearest 10, we get 30. Estimated answer is 160. Actual answer is 191. Using brackets. Use of brackets allows us to avoid confusion in the problems where we need to carry out more than one number operation. Using the brackets allow us to follow our procedure systematically and easy to keep track on the steps. See the example provided for 104 multiplied by 105. We use the Hindu-Arabic system of numerals. Another system of writing numerals is the Roman system. Roman numerals are written as combinations of 7 letters. I1, V equals 5, X equals 10, L equals 50, C equals 100, D equals 500, M equals 1000,